What's going on, people? Today, I was trying to fix my blue debugging PS1, also known as the PSX. So, I was taking it apart here. Had the power supply disconnected. Had the CD drive here disconnected. That was a bitch to get out. And I had all my essential tools here. You know, the alcohol rubbing and Q-tip, toothbrush, screwdriver, canned air. So I was ready to take the thing apart and get to the motherboard. And you're probably wondering, well, Jeff, why are you doing all this? Well, I went to play it the other day, and this happens. Trippy. But then I couldn't get it apart because of this right fucking here. No idea what that is. Some kind of copper shielding. I don't know. There's more of it over here. And of course, there's no video tutorials about this, the inside of this fucking thing. None. There is one video that a guy does repair a 1001 retail model, which is basically what this is, only on the development side of things. Watch my other video if you want to see it in action. Anyway, yeah, I couldn't fucking get it open. But the guy that did the 1001 video, retail version, he just popped this fucking shit right off. The shielding just came right off like that. This thing will not fucking come off because of this fucking shit. And I don't want to touch it because, you know, I don't want to fuck it up. I've modded PlayStations before back in the late 90s. Like, I don't know how many PlayStations I've modded. You know? Never came across anything like this shit. I don't even know. You know, and, you know, I'm kind of computer tech suave. You know, I'm old school, but shit. I don't know. It's baffling my mind. I gotta finish putting the screws in. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this thing. I don't want to sell it. Paid too much money for it. I'd like it to be fixed. If there is anyone out there watching that can fix this motherfucker, please let me know. In the meantime, I'll just use my other one right here. I don't even know what the fuck this thing is either. Power up. Power up. Can you spot the difference? After that, I'm gonna need a little excitement. I'm gonna snap into a Slim Jim. Ooh yeah!